Hey guys, how you doing? This is Bobby with KHP Construction. We're here today in Tracy, California. We got our full home addition and remodel going on inside. They got the beam up, they got this thing watertight. We're moving in on some of those cool finishes. Let's go check it out, see if they got something cool to show us. All right guys, here we are. We're on the outside of our project here. Remember last time we were here, we were working on getting this thing watertight. We have now. Framing is done, windows are in, roof is on. This thing is buttoning up fast. Really excited to show you guys the inside of this thing. Let's go check it out, see how far they've gotten. All right guys, here we are inside. This is our old dining room, if you remember. That's where our original wall was previously, and this is where our new dining room is expanded to. We got our new windows installed. Tape and texture is going on right now. We're gonna be finishing this up here pretty soon. Here, we got our custom cabinetry going in. Check this out, and there's our beam. Remember our beam? We got that thing, we had to wrap it and hide it. Got a nice accent piece in the whole house. It's gonna look really pretty. Custom cabinetry again going in here, getting that completed. And if you guys remember, this is that door I was talking about. Super fancy. Look at this thing, isn't that nice? Way better than a sliding glass door. After our cabinetry goes up, we're gonna be moving on to flooring. After the flooring is done, we're moving on to solid surface, getting our countertops installed, getting our backsplash installed, getting the finishes done in here, getting all of our appliances moved in, put up. You guys are gonna be really excited about those appliances as well. It's gonna be really good looking by the time it's said and done. With that, this project's coming together pretty quick. At the end here, it really starts to move fast, so make sure you pay attention to what we're doing. It's gonna be an exciting project. Stay tuned.